An origination fee is an upfront charge a lender may collect for setting up and processing a loan. This fee usually shows up near closing costs, so borrowers feel it before monthly payments even begin. Many loan quotes express origination as a percentage of the borrowed amount instead of a flat dollar charge. The label can sound vague, but it usually bundles application, underwriting, and processing work into one upfront cost. Both raise upfront costs, but discount points change pricing, while origination fees mainly cover lender work. On a $300,000 loan, even small percentages can translate into thousands of dollars due at closing. That is why borrowers often compare the annual percentage rate, or APRA, instead of one fee by itself. Origination fees are only one part of total borrowing cost, so review the full estimate carefully. Educational content only.